Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Tech Sense with Samuel, the channel where we simplify technology, finance, smart living for everyday people. If you are new here, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, Tech Sense with Samuel, and don't forget to turn on the notification button so you don't miss value content like this. Today's topic is very important, especially in 2026, where the economy is changing very fast. How to invest monthly using Cowrywise. For some days now, I've been talking about how to save with Cowrywise. So today, I'm going to be showing you how you can use that same application to invest your money. On this channel, we make sure you use technology wisely, smartly. So today, I'm going to be sharing with you the simplest way to invest your money on Cowrywise. So if you ever ask, what is investment? Why should I invest my money? How can I start investing as in Nigeria or as someone outside Nigeria? Because you can actually invest in Naira and you can also invest in dollar. Is Cowrywise, is it safe and is it legit? Then this video is for you. By the end of this video, you understand investment clearly, why is it necessary, and how to use Cowrywise smartly in the year 2026. What is investment? Let's start with the basic. Investment simply means putting your money into something today so it can grow and bring you more money in the future. Instead of spending all your income, you set aside a portion and allow it to work for you. Example of investment includes savings and investing in mutual fund, investing in stocks, fixed income investment, business investment, real estate investment. So these are the goals of investment. Number one, to grow your money. Number two, to protect your money from inflation, to build a long-term financial security. So investment is not gambling. It is intentional, strategic, and long-term money planning. Why should you invest? Here are professional reasons why everyone, including yourself, why you should invest, especially young people and working professionals. Number one reason is this: inflation is reducing your money value. In 2026, 10,000 today will not buy what 10,000 bought 3 years ago. If your money is just sitting down in your bank account, inflation is silently eating it. Investing helps your money grow faster than inflation. Number two reason why you should invest your money in the year 2026. Relying only on salary is risky because job loss, salary delay, economic stability. Investment creates another source of income. This is called a passive income. Money working for you even while you are sleeping. So another reason why you should invest in the year 2026 is this: financial freedom and future security. Investing helps you prepare for emergencies, starting a business, marriage and family, children education, and retirement. People who invest early stress less later. Another reason why you should invest in the year 2026 is this: technology has made investment easy, and that is why I'm here. Before now, investing require banks, broker, paperwork, large capital. But now in the year 2026, with apps like Cowrywise, anyone can start investing with small amounts using just a smartphone. So what is Cowrywise? For those that are new here on this platform, Cowrywise is a Nigerian digital investment and saving platform that allows you to save your money, invest in mutual fund, automate your savings, earn return, track your finance growth, set financial goals. Cowrywise partner with a regulated fund manager and provide beginners friendly tools. It is designed for students, young professionals, business owners, beginners who want to grow wealth gradually. So how to start investing with Cowrywise? Step 1, download and create an account. So if you are an Android user, go to your App Store and download Cowrywise, and if you're an iPhone user, go to Apple App Store and download Cowrywise. So all you just have to do is sign up with your email, your phone number, create a password, and verify all your identity. But because I'm already registered, so all I need to do is just to log in. So after a successful registration, so you go back and log in. So here you see your dashboard where you have homes, save, invest. So under investments, you see Nigeria stocks, we have Naira fund, and we have dollar fund. So for today, we are going to be talking about Nigerian stocks. So here you see that we have different stocks that you can invest in, anyone you want. But before you invest in any stock, make sure you read about it before you put in your money. So we have First Bank, there's GTCO, there's Stanbic, there is RT Briscoe PLC. So because of this, we are going to be using Totalizer PLC to test. So just pick that and you'll be asked to buy. Okay, at the moment the price is 4.80 naira. So you can put in the number of shares you want to buy, but note one share costs 4.80. So you see the minimum you can buy while you want to input the share. So let's start. Let's just put 1,500 own. Then you're going to see the total amount you are to pay. If you check the estimated fee, you'll see what you're paying for, the total fee. You're going to see it there. Then you can proceed to make your payment. Yeah, let's check. Just check through. You'll see what you are paying for. So all you just have to do is to click on Pay Now. So you can pay through bank transfer, through Stash, through your card that you've input. So after a successful transaction, you're going to see. So you see all the stock you've paid for. The step 2, set your financial goal. If you want to invest in Cowrywise, it is very important. As I said it in one of my videos, when you are saving, you should have a goal. You should have reasons why you want to save. So the same thing applicable to investment. So if you are investing, you need to set a goal. You need to set a financial goal. Are you investing for emergency fund? Are you investing for business? Are you investing for travel, school, or your children? So Cowrywise allow you to create goals like emergency fund, business capital, travel fund, school fees, long-term wealth. This helps you to invest with purpose, not randomly. So another step on how to invest in using Cowrywise: choose an investment plan. Cowrywise offer different options: low risk investment, there's a medium risk investment, there is higher return portfolio. As a beginner, start with low to medium risk mutual fund. Don't rush into high risk investment. Step 4, fund your wallet. You can fund using bank transfer. You can do automated savings. Step 5, on how to invest using Cowrywise: automate your investment. Set an automatic investment, either daily, weekly, or monthly. This builds discipline and removes excuses. So here are the 10 tips I'm going to be sharing with you for investing in the year 2026. Number 1, use a strong password. Number 2, set a two-factor authentication that nobody knows about, only yourself. Install an app lock for your phone, because your financial apps deserve maximum security. Tech tips 2, use data and AI insights. Many fintech apps now show performance trend, portfolio breakdown, growth projection. Use this tool to understand where your money is going. Tech tips 3, don't follow online hype blindly. Avoid social media get-rich-quick scheme, unverified investment advice, random crypto hype. Stick to regulated platforms like Cowrywise. Tech tips 4, track your progress monthly. Check your return, check your growth, and always don't forget to check your goals. Investing is a long term. Don't panic because of long term fluctuation. Tech tips number 5, diversify your investment. Don't put all your money in one investment. Use multiple portfolio to reduce risk. So here are the common mistake as a beginner I wanted to avoid when it comes to investment. Investing money you need urgently is very wrong. I will not advise you to invest money you know you're going to need tomorrow or the next day. Expecting quick profits. When it comes to investment, you are not expected to get a profit immediately, because an investment is a long-term goal. Copying others blindly. I used to say this: before you venture into anything online, you must have an idea, you must have a knowledge of something you want to go into. So if you don't have any knowledge about something, I will advise you to read about it. There's a lot of ebook online you can read. Even when you go to Cowrywise website, you can always read about the investment. You can read about the savings and the like. So I will advise you to ignore copying others blindly. Ignore risk level, not being consistent. These are one of the mistakes. Investment is no longer for the rich. With platforms like Cowrywise, anyone can start small and grow big. Remember, investment is planting today for tomorrow harvest. The best time to start investing was yesterday. The next best time is now. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Sense with Samuel.